Alright. You gonna learn today.
Alright, what I'm showing you guys right now is signs of a bad water pump. Now, as you can see right here, you see the water dripping? That usually will happen when the water starts dripping out of what's known as the weep hole. Usually on the bottom of water pumps, there's a little hole that's called the weep hole. And when it starts leaking out of that, you get this. That means that the seal is gone. But on this particular water pump, I have that problem. But here's also proof that the seal at the front is bad also. Let me show you guys. I'm just going to shake the fan. There's play in it. Now look at the water. See how it increased? That's just from moving the fan blade. This water pump is shot. So if you guys look at that. So yeah, this water pump is shot. You can see the movement right there. So if your guys' water pump is leaking and you move that fan blade, it increases, then you know where it failed. Either way, even if you're just getting a small drip from the weep hole, it's time to change the water pump. You cannot fix it. That means the seal is already gone. Alright? I'll catch you guys on the next one.